Hey there, hope you're well. So, I just want to show you how you can make money online. So, you open a new tab and then you search Google Trends, of course, with a D at the end and S, and then you click on it, and then you click on Trending Now. This, of course, will show you the trends in your particular location. My location, as you can see, is Kenya. And we see that there's the Brentford on this one versus Manchester seems to have more views, more numbers. So I click on it. And then I will come down here, and then of course I'll click on the first one there. It will bring me to this. Of course, Manchester United boss Ruben Amorim facing more scrutiny, and then I will click on the URL, copy it, then I'll go to ChatGPT, and then here on ChatGPT, give ChatGPT instruction to write for me an article using the information that we found on that particular link. So basically, write an article for me from the link. Sorry, there's an error there. I just need to remove that, and then I'll paste the link, and then of course click on that, and it will write for me an article. But as you notice, there are places written Sky Sports, and so what we want is to generate the text without the link. So I just instruct it to remove the links, and then of course that happens. But we also want. I'd love to have this. Of course, it's still generating the. But I want to restructure this into spoken audio script, and therefore I actually tell it to, yes, sure, restructure this into audios, into spoken audio script. Yeah, so and then I generate, and there we are. There's the script. We have it all, and then of course now what I do is I copy the entire script up to there, copy, and then I have two options. I can go to Canva, of course, click on a new, create a new window. I can go on Canva. If you have a subscription for Canva, it's good because you can use Canva AI to generate audio. But for me, since I also have FreePick, I will just go to FreePick, click on it, and sorry, just waiting for it to load. It's loaded. Then I go to generate, create a voiceover. Click on that. Right. Okay. So it's opened, and so what I need to do now is to first choose. Of course, I want an American accent, which is clear, and I prefer male voice. So then I'll paste the entire script here. see, it all came, the one that we generated from ChatGPT. Then I'll click generate. Depending on the speed of your internet, then this will begin to so we're waiting for it to generate. Once it's done generating, you can just click here to preview. Of course, you can preview and listen, but as we do that, we can also download it. So I'm downloading the audio. It's done. So here is our audio. That's just that fast. Then you go back to CapCut. So we want to create a new project. Sometimes when you click there, it may go off, but so you just go back to CapCut, open, then import. I'll import the audio that we generated from the script in Canva, drag it down. Yes.
Manchester United manager Ruben Amorim is facing fresh scrutiny after his side slumped to a 3-1 defeat away at Brentford. It's another major setback for Amorim.
Well, of course, we have our audio, but then we also need to import other stuff, because we want to build a video that we can upload that's on trending. And so, of course, I downloaded a couple of images on my desktop, and yes, we've imported an image. We want that to be the one to begin, and so we paste it, drag it down, and as you can see,
Manchester United manager
image right there.
Ruben Amorim is facing
there's
fresh
a lot of
scrutiny
things that we can actually do here in CapCut. So, but before that, let's just bring in the clip for the Manchester United boss. Some of these clips may be copyrighted, so you have to be careful not to use clips that copyrighted. I checked this, and it didn't have copyright claims, and so I use this.
Side slump to it.
Just a rough idea, you know. I'm not perfect with this, and so you see, I pulled the cursor down, basically to remove the audio, so that I can use my audio from FreePic that we generated, and then we have transitions up there, as you can see. I just want to add transitions from one slide to the
Manchester
other.
United manager
From
Ruben
our first
Amorim
image to
is facing
the
fresh
next one,
scrutiny
we have
after
a
his
transition
side
right
slumped
there.
to a
We've clicked
3-1
on it.
defeat away at
That is
Brentford.
it. See how
It's
wonderful
another major
that is.
setback for Amorim,
And
who has now overseen
of course,
33
we also
league
have
games with only
effects
9 wins.
on CapCut, and I haven't even paid the subscription. I'll show you a trick. So we add that. Let's see how it looks.
Manchester
with that.
United manager Ruben Amorim is facing
the
fresh
first one
scrutiny
is there.
after his side slumped to a 3-1 defeat away at Brentford.
Looks good.
It's
Looks
another
good to
major
me.
setback for Amorim,
Then,
who has now overseen 33 league games with only 9 wins, a record that ranks.
Yeah, so we could reduce the clip, and then go back to media and import. So you keep on doing this until you have enough clips to take you all the way to the end. So I'll pick that, another image I've downloaded, paste it there, drag it down there, then I'll put transitions. I mean, basically that's the drill. So you want to create a very captivating clip, you know, using CapCut and of course these effects, and so far we've been able to use ChatGPT. We've been able to use FreePic to generate the audio, and now we are back
Manchester
to
United
CapCut,
manager
where
Ruben
now we are
Amorim
putting together everything
after his
that we've
side
been able to
slumped to a
generate,
3-1
and
defeat
so
away
far
at
this is
Brentford.
where we are.
It's another major setback
Yeah,
for
so
Amorim, who has
basically
now overseen 33 league
that
games
is
with
it.
only 9 wins,
Effects,
a record that ranks among the
add
weakest of
a
any United
video,
manager since
put
Sir
on
Alex
transition
Ferguson's
right
retirement.
there, put on
Heading into
another
the match,
image there.
Amorim had called this fixture.
We keep going, and we can even, go back to the media and add the video. We could either add the video, or we could import, because we have sufficient. I think we have that one. Just a good one. It portrays how Man U is disappointed after losing against Brentford. So we have added that. We still want to put a transition. So basically, so I'm showing you a lot of things right here. So basically, you ensure and I'm not even doing my best. This is
Heading
just
into the
for
match,
showing you
Amorim
how
had
you
called
can
this
be
fixture
able
one of the
to
most important in recent times. But on the
and
pitch,
basically you go to Google Trends, you get trending video, trending trending hashtags, and then you
his team
click,
failed to deliver.
just like I showed you. Then you get that, generate a script on ChatGPT, and bring it to CapCut, combine all these things, and as you can see now, we brought the clip again, and then I use the cursor to reduce the volume to 0, so that I can use it for
once again his favorite 3 at the back
we can
system
use
was just
our free pick voice over, which is good. There's a lot we can do, and I want to show you something else we have right here. We can
two central midfielders
keep on adding effects, as many as you want.
Brentford switched their own shape, overloaded the midfield,
Yeah, so
and repeatedly overran United's
it's important for you to know, especially if you do not have a subscription, you don't have the money to pay uh, for CapCut. You will click Control Alt P after you finished we're gonna see that. So let's add an audio right there. Football noise, looking for a good to make it more lively, so we can add another audio that will be in the background. So throughout our clip there will be football noise, fans chanting and shouting.
Manchester United
So basically that's what I'm trying to do, and so we have that. That's how it sounds, and we want to add the football noise, so you can just reduce the audio so that it doesn't override our free pick
Manchester
voiceover.
United manager Ruben Amorim.
Yeah, so that is it. So basically that is the whole idea.
Is facing fresh
This is
scrutiny.
the whole idea, and if you want to keep on bringing it, just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. You can do that all the way to the end. Copy and paste the noise, copy and paste the voice, football noise, copy and paste all the way. Basically that's what I do. I know there are other shortcuts that I don't know, because I'm also an amateur on CapCut. But we want
Manchester
this football
United
noise
manager
to be
Ruben
all the
Amorim
way,
is facing fresh scrutiny after his side slumped to a 3-1 defeat away at Brentford.
So
it's another major setback for Amorim, who has now overseen 33 league games with only 9
transitions. You can see them. Yeah, so let's keep on copying and pasting, copying and pasting, dragging it. It's so easy. It's user friendly. CapCut is user friendly. I can tell you for a fact. It's user friendly. Yeah, so copy and paste, 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 and then bring them together to fill in the gaps. We're almost there. Please, if you know an easier way, you can also show me on the comment section. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. You see? I think we're done. That should be the last one. Yeah, so you drag it. You can fade it off, then drag it back like that. See what you have. So now you don't have, you're good. See, you don't have a subscription for Canva. You will click on what I just clicked, and then it brings you to full screen, and you can begin it from, you can bring it back to the beginning, and let it run all the way to the end. So what is happening is that your screen is recording. It will record the entire video. It will record, and it's not the best of the best qualities, but it's something that can be viewed on YouTube. You will definitely get clicks. See, so you let it run. I just minimized it, but I'll come back again to let it run. See, because I don't have a subscription, I can't download it. So I will bring it back to the beginning, put it on full screen, and now let it run all the way. So this is just a simple thing with our transitions and everything, what we made. It will now, of course the cursor is there, but you'll see me moving it down just a few minutes ahead, a few seconds ahead, and we have the transitions. This is, you can do CapCut as a beginner. And we just did a quick one. Make it as more interactive as possible so that your audience will be captivated. Use as many transitions, as many effects, and you can make the discoveries, because I haven't made all the discoveries in Canva, but we can discover this together. So we basically have spent some time to I spent some time to show you how you can make money, how you can create something, and you don't have to talk about football. Maybe your niche is fashion. You can go to the trends on fashion, copy the URLs, and just begin to build, and you'll be surprised. You'll get the numbers, you'll get the views. People will definitely watch, because you're building something that is interactive, that is interesting. And if you have a good camera, if you have an iPhone or a good camera, you can actually record, let's see, your face as you narrate over along the clip. Combine all this on CapCut, and you're good to go. Yeah, so what we need to do now after this is just to upload it on YouTube. Yeah, join the next lesson. I'll show you how you can upload what you're supposed to click to get the numbers, because there are things, if you avoid, you won't get the numbers. So join me in the next video, and as we advance this. Yeah, thank you. Hey there, hope you're well. So